Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add files in monday.com. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to monday.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. This gets you into your Monday workspace where all your boards and projects are organized. Just enter your email and password, and you'll be directed to your main dashboard where you can access all your active boards. Now, take a look at the left sidebar of your screen. This is where all your boards are listed, making it easy to navigate between different projects. Click on the board where you want to add your files. This could be any board you're currently working on, whether it's a project management board, a content calendar, or a team collaboration space. Clicking on it will open the board and display all your current items and columns. Once you're inside the board, look toward the right side of the screen. You'll see a plus icon at the top right area of the board. Click on this plus icon to add a new column to your board. When you click it, a menu will appear showing you different column types you can add. From this menu, select Files. This creates a dedicated Files column where you and your team can upload and access documents, images, or any other file types directly within the board itself. After adding the Files column, you'll notice empty cells appear under it for each item in your board. Click on any empty cell in the Files column where you want to upload a file. This opens up a menu with several upload options, giving you flexibility in how you want to add your content. You'll see multiple options available such as from computer, webcam, doc, link, Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, and OneDrive, and SharePoint. These options let you pull files from different sources depending on where your documents are stored. It's a convenient way to integrate files from various platforms without having to download and re-upload them manually. For this example, click from computer. This option allows you to upload files that are saved directly on your device. Once you click it, a File Explorer window will open up, showing all your folders and files on your computer. Now navigate through your folders and select the file you want to add to your Monday board. This could be a PDF, an image, a spreadsheet, or any other document type that's relevant to your project. Once you've located the file, click on it to select it, and then click Open. The file will start uploading to your Monday board, and depending on the file size, this might take just a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully added a file to your monday.com board, making it easy for your team to access important documents right from within the project workspace. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.